Alright guys, where are we?
The Dominican house.
This is how a typical Dominican household would look like. Colors just like Jamaica. See, guys said the same thing. Looks just like it. So, I don't know if I should walk in or not.
Bamboo?
No, pantry.
Pantry.
Yeah, they have a 2-room. Everything separated. The bathroom to the back. Over here had a kitchen. Over here living one family.
Yeah.
I never go there.
That's what I'm saying.
What floor is that? Because I see it at the hotel, but I don't know what it is. That
Somebody
red
stay
thing
here?
on that tree.
I think it's somebody's house. She's walking in.
No, the next tree.
This somebody else? Yeah. Oh, hey, this somebody's house, man.
I know that's papaya, but yeah, I have another fruit here. It looked like it's sliced like papaya, but it's not papaya. It was in the resort.
He just said he don't go in there. You just walking. Yo, somebody live here, yo. How you know they want you in their room? Yeah, people live here. See, they have a dinner, lunch.
Well, lunch.
That one is collection of the calabaza for different uses. Put it out the fruit inside. Somebody know where it is?
Fish. Clean fish?
It's a whisk. No, I
We
don't know.
fall for the cake. Now it's the machine. The name in Spanish, molenillo. Everything over here, the collection with calabaza, you can print out the bean, whatever you
You see
want.
how what they do? They make handbags, purses.
Maraca.
In Jamaica, they do that a lot.
Yes.
Cigar.
They use that for everything.
Ashtray.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Wow.
That's the ashtrays.
Ooh, that breeze feel good. Take care.
Thank you.
That plant over here is mint.
Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Hinojo for cooking, it's for tea.
Yeah, tea. So they live here. Like he's awkward, right?
This oregano, so you sick by the stomach.
They do this in Jamaica.
So you have a problem with the
Wakadoo.
earring, you running a little bit, you putting down the water, it's antibiotic.
And wait, what? This?
Yeah.
This is with seasoning. We blend this. We put this on the meat. Oh my God, so good. We use
Remember,
this.
Where
Yeah.
you come from, everything different
know.
because the Indian
Some
people.
call it Spanish oregano, some call it Spanish
Let me tell you
thyme.
something. You
Oh, okay.
you blend this up and you put it on your chicken, your fish, and you let it sit. Oh
so
my
good.
God, so good.
Mint, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
gonna try.
Yes.
Yeah, we have the.
And we out add garlic. Put garlic in there. Put some
Oíste,
green
que
peppers.
cuando lo ponen, se machaca y se le ponen a la carne, y eso es un sabor. Eso hay hombres por allá, nosotros estamos acostumbrados a esa vaina. Yo lo voy a hacer un día. Over here got everything, avocado. Like you see.
Come on, you going into my home and showing people my house, right?
Yeah, mango. That's a mango tree.
Avocado.
Avocado.
You like the pepper?
Is it hot?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Hey,
Watermelon.
Oh, what, eat it?
Jamaica? Oh my God.
Nice.
So good. Vegetable, like vegetable.
over here no using.
Look at that. That's a waste.
That one, you know?
Oh, this is so good.
You know this?
What's that one?
No.
That one, this is the, in Dominican Republic have a 51 pan trip different.
Oh, it's a palm tree.
This pan trip, they have a some batire. Only you take the bread. You make everything with coconut.
they waste.
Okay.
This is the name wajiga.
Nothing, yeah.
This thing right here is so good,
With
man.
catfish, you know bacalao?
Bacalao.
This with bacalao? Oh my God. So, look, and that's
Every
a
country
waste.
is different.
I know, and they said they waste that.
Blackberry.
Oh, blackberry.
Yeah, blackberry.
No, this right
No,
here.
this?
This?
Yeah.
Oh, they're blackberries?
Dominican blackberry.
Oh. Dominican blackberries. Pepper guy.
Look.
It's ready to eat?
Yeah, a little bit sour.
Oh, sour.
Oh, sour.
A little bit sour.
You want me to taste this?
You want?
Oh.
Pepper. Huh?
You eat peppers?
Yeah, she eats peppers.
It's hot, but it's not that hot.
Eat it. Let me see. A blackberry. Will you see there, babe?
Yeah, it's pepper.
Oh. Yeah, he said yeah.
She wants the marijuana too.
This dude right here with the marijuana house. Thanks. This looks like a ripe one. This is
Aloe vera? Just aloe vera. Aloe.
Yeah, this thing.
Oregano.
Huh?
Pizza.
Yeah,
Chicken.
I see
Salt.
it.
Oh yeah,
Smell.
yeah. It's the
Oregano.
we got this at home.
Yeah, oregano.
Oh, I can smell. I can smell.
Oregano.
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells good.
Cheesecake. Salt.
Yeah, this smells good.
How that smell?
The plant.
It smells good.
It smells like
Smells like
soap.
Vicks.
Yeah.
Cherry. Lemon ground.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's very good. This is good for tea.
Smells like
Good tea.
Vicks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fever grass. She said it. Yeah.
Lemongrass.
She go to
Lemongrass
she go
are
to
foreigners.
Jamaica every year, so she
The foreigners say lemongrass.
No, but oh my God! So she know it all. She said the right name.
Dragon fruit.
I think
Carambola. In Spanish. What do you call
like
it?
when you have bad cramp. My husband gave it to me because he got that too. He boiled it and it did help. It did help. That's what I'm saying. Nowadays everything you pop a pill, you pop a pill. When you used to, what happened back then? They made it, and some of them lived to their 90-some years old.
Got to show you
What's that?
different plant over here.
What's that?
Oh, look, sausage.
Are you serious?
Vanilla.
Oh, vanilla.
Vanilla cocoa for make chocolate.
Oh, okay.
That vanilla.
This is
Can you see?
Listen, this is their entire property.
Oh, wow.
This their property.
Yeah? Wow. Oh, so they're well off. They got a lot of food from the earth.
Smell.
What's that?
Gracias.
Cinnamon.
No.
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 This got some menthol in it.
Escalito.
Ooh, this is good. This is good for my allergies.
Menthol.
Yeah.
Just say it's got some menthol.
Ooh, here I'm.
That
I
one
like
is
it,
not
they
make
smell
that
it.
one using for make alcohol.
They make
Como
alcohol.
belling. And Indian using for cook too.
So they make these things back there? The
Yeah.
house, the lady?
Yeah. Okay, follow me please. Dragon leaf to make tea. The big one over there.
Oh, nice.
Breadfruit.
Oh, where's breadfruit?
Oh, they can send it bus out.
They got breadfruit. What about me?
We could have bought some stuff out here. Mama wanna. It's probably cheaper here.
Okay.
She makes these things. She puts them
Oh, she got some mama.
Oh, wow.
You see the big one, breadfruit? And Jamaica using
What is that? Oh, that's a fruit.
that one.
What's the
That will go for pressure heart.
salsa?
No, that one is noni.
Nani.
That's the blood
Hello?
pressure one he telling me.
Yeah.
Ronnie.
That's what he meant when he said
Oh,
go home.
it is. So what can I?
What are you doing? You can make tea. Tea with that.
Tea?
Tea. This is the name noni.
Noni.
It's selling everywhere. You can find it in the internet.
What's going on, buddy?
Noni.
But
Noni.
I would want to get it here.
Nothing much.
Not on the internet. I don't know if they give me the real thing.
He's selling to the supermarket.
In Dominican
Yeah.
Republic.
This noni.
Could you make it in a, you think would it make a tea into it? Put it in a tea?
You drink.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. In
That one on about 25 years ago. The name.
It's a morning, the morning of pillow. It's coffee bean rice.
Okay.
2 or 3 with the solid rice.
Okay.
Gracias.
De nada.
Thank you.
Ayer la boina en el restaurante.
A ver, yo sé que sea así todavía. Yo, por eso era de eso lo que digo. Lady, working, please?
You first.
Oh, about to go to work.
Over here?
One and one, like this. All together, repeat hacen. Ay, María se va.
Hola María se va.
Le dijo el sapo a la zapa.
Hola María se va.
Hacer unos calzones.
Hola María se va.
Y le contestó la zapa.
Hola María se va.
Que larga te lo ponen.
Hola María se va.
Okay, thank you, lady. Good
Okay,
job.
thank
And
you,
what
lady.
does that do?
For peers. Ah,
Peers
look
coffee.
at mine. Look at mine. It's more heavy.
Yeah.
My you for my husband. Don't make that fool. I'll shut up.
bad. Hers was heavy. That other one was heavy.
Yes.
Oh, so then it turns out to be
Yeah,
like,
it's
oh,
clean.
that's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, and breakfast show.
It's ready for roasting. Now it smells coffee roasted and grinded.
Wow.
Make in the house.
Look.
Wow, it smells really good.
Ooh,
It smells really good.
good, yeah.
That smells real good.
Chocolate.
No, it's
Pure chocolate.
¿Qué tú le estás dando? You're crazy.
Oh, I give you the
It's a
cacao.
chocolate.
I figured it was
It's a chocolate.
Oh, you know, that's chocolate.
¿Dónde te pusiste el café?
Pero mira ahí mismo al lado.
No, porque estaba aquí.
Ese mismo, ese.
Oh my God.
Oh, he's supposed to give us the coffee.
It's chocolate.
It smelled like it was coffee.
Yeah.
That's coffee.
Oh,
Not the chocolate smells real good
Okay.
though.
This
Sheesh.
is the cocoa fruit.
That smells strong. I like that.
You take one minute.
Take one.
The beans. You soak
This
on it.
cocoa.
Cocoa. It's only soak it like lychee.
What do I take?
Soak it, soak it. Soak on it. You don't like it, soak it, lady?
She's bad.
It's like lychee.
You're supposed to bite into it or suck?
It's like a Guinness. Yeah.
That's how it comes like the fruit.
It's cocoa fruit for making chocolate.
Oh,
2 or 3 weeks in the sun. It dry.
really?
After dry roasted, it's a dry and roasted. Look,
You gotta be kidding me.
dry roasted.
Like some almond.
And it's cold. It cooked dry and
So do you bite your seed? Right.
No, I bet to see. Yes, well,
Why you bit it? I just like Guinness.
I bit it
Now,
before. You said it.
grinding.
Mm.
Lady, working. Working the vacation here. You 2 hands, it's hard. You push here, not ready for you. You push.
This is heavy.
It's my jeans.
I guess I ain't made for working.
Hint, Ronnie. Wife life. You see her shirt?
She's working good. You're doing a good job. You're doing good work.
It's some hard work. Yeah, my mom have one of those skills.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's my jeans. Thank you, lady.
They
Good
do
job.
peas. Yeah.
Wow.
Look at her. Look, one hand. Look at her. Because she used to that. Yes.
Show out.
She used to that. And you grind it after. Wow.
It's meant and taste. It's a 100% chocolate, no sugar.
Oh my God.
You taste a little?
Oh.
It's bitter, no sugar.
Are you serious?
No sugar.
Oh. Pure. Pure.
Gracias.
Before they start putting all the other crap in it. It's good to eat though.
The best type of damn. Real chocolate.
Yeah, it's real.
Real chocolate.
Damn it, Hershey's. Y'all ain't doing nothing.
America ain't got nothing on these.
It's so true, and look at that. You can say you come and you
Oh,
see
los
things you're
muchachos de
like,
que limpiándome su
my God,
Cuando
that
yo
thing.
fui,
I wouldn't need no more chocolate. That be trying to eat that whole Snicker bar.
no, pero ya terminé eso.
You know what I
Se
mean?
cayeron muchachos. Eso fue una
How was
clase.
it?
Yo tenía una
Chalky
mata
vinegar.
de rulo.
Chalky.
Yo, I like this store. They meet the
What?
crowd.
I don't know what that is.
Oh wow.
Mm-mm.
Voy a traer sobre de
You know what's about
de
that?
vasito.
No.
Aquí un semillero por ahí atrás.
No, que, que ellos nacen.
Tastes like aloe vera.
Diferente de la de comer.
No, it tastes
Y
chalky.
hay de esa verde.
Esa es
45 minutes.
They can detain. Now we hot. After 1 day dry. You put sugar cane.
Oh, wow.
aprendí algo nuevo. Temperatura está cabrón.
Cogemos
Now I'm tasting.
natural.
Now I'm
No
tasting.
Gracias.
Like this.
Thank you.
Family, the lady from the house, Isha, she's finishing with that.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love sugar in it.
Sé que yo vi que te va a llegar con la
Sure thing.
Okay. Vamos a dejar ahí porque entonces. Dice de Get close and big. Looking. Get close. Dice the cocoa bean and mix it with sugar cane. You taste like this. It's sweet. And the cocoa powder, no sugar inside. After you put in the milk or water, 2 minutes boil it, you put sugar in taste. It's a coffee, cinnamon, oregano for pizza tea chicken. It's a sugar cane. And the black vanilla for sweet cooking. And the coconut oil for dry hair, for inhale. Bronze massage, constipation, no toilet, water spoon drinking. 5 minutes toilet, yellow line. Hasta la vista, baby. It's good for cooking. It's a cocoa butter for fair wrinkle, extra mark. Extra mark. It's a honey. Yes. It might see children might use cocoa butter. Okay. It said the Mama Juana in the back of bottle. It says the Mama Juana after finish more you for 20 years, 25 years in bottle. You prepare like you put honey and sweet wine, or honey, wine and rum. You sexy lady or power man, honey and rum. Don't drink alcohol, you drink it like tea. Honey and the hot water. After finish more you for 20 years or 25 years in bottle. That's a root. It's good for kidney, arthritis, heart attack, sexy lady, power man, everything. Okay, the natural product, no problem for Apple. Mama Juana in the back of bottle. It's a $20, $10 each, $8. You pay peso, dollar, whatever. Thank you, gracias, now attack.
Gracias.
Thank you.